just, well, the system actually looks at recognizing me. So now the system is tracking me and I'm actually communicating with it by simply walking. The idea behind my work is where I communicate with machines and robots by simple gestures, something that comes naturally to us. I'm Pradyot from the RISE Robotics Group at IIT Madras, and I am here to present some of our work with human-machine interaction. Most of us talk to computers with simple keyboard and mouse. What we look at is something more than just the keyboard and mouse, and something that comes naturally to us, something like just waving our hand out. So what is the point of having such instructions? Before I go to gestures, this is the Microsoft Kinect, something that helps me, helps the robot observe me and basically track my gestures. This is how the human looks to the robot when it uses the Kinect. Basically, it approximates me with a skeleton and gives me, and hence I can track each and every point, thus making the robot understand complicated gestures such as this, that, etc. What's the point of communicating with a robot with such instructions? Say, suppose, even if you consider us humans, when we talk to each other, we use gestures a lot. For example, when you want someone to sit, we point at the chair, please have a seat, or say, that person in the audience there who's sleeping, and so on. Here is something we've done where we talk to robots with such instructions, and the robots don't merely follow these instructions, but actually learn by following these instructions. So here it's scanning for the objects, right? So it actually, and the boxes. And now a human walks in, and there is a Kinect, the device I just showed you, that is placed outside the arena too, through which he is instructing the robot. So right now he points to this box here. The robot interprets it as move to the box. Right? It is localizing itself with respect to the box. Right? So the person needs to walk out, otherwise it gets confused. It localizes itself with respect to the baskets all around. And there he signaled it again. This time it interprets it a different way. It interprets it as pick up the object. The human is back and he instructs to the right basket. Behind this task is to come up with a very nice mechanism to instruct robots, not necessarily know what is the English they understand or what are the commands I need to type, but something that comes naturally to us. And once I give it 4 or 5 instructions, then the robot learns what the task is. I have not told the robot that the task is to put objects into baskets of the same color.